Good morning, children. First lesson completed. Now you know the place values of all digits in a 9-digit number. Once you know the place values clearly, it's very easy to do the operations. In this lesson, we have to learn 4 operations. First, we will learn addition. You know to add the given numbers you have learned the rules in your previous classes. You know very well to add 3-digit and 4-digit numbers. Still, we will recap whatever we have learned. Here, we have to add one 4-digit number and 3-digit number. Right? We will read the number first. It is 9876. It is 678. When the numbers are given vertically to add, it's very easy to add. You need not worry about their places. But when the numbers are given horizontally like this, you have to write vertically. While writing vertically, you have to align the places. Then only you will get the correct answer. See here, it is hundreds place, it is 8 here in this number. In this number, hundreds place, it is 6. These two places, hundreds or tens, whatever may be, they should align perfectly. Then only we will get the correct answer. We will add the numbers now. Let me write the numbers. It is leave one finger space or 2 finger space gap here to write the carry numbers. Now it is 9800 and you have to leave 1 finger space between digits. Otherwise the places will mismatch. It is 678. You have to add now. Right? Draw the horizontal line to write the answer. Now, whichever numbers you are adding, they are known as addends. This number is known as addend. Addend. Which numbers we are adding, if they are known as addends. Now you have to add. It is 8 plus 6. How much it is? 14. Right? 4. 1 you have to carry to the tens column. Now 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 7, it is 15. 1 you have to carry. Now 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 6, it is 15. 1 you have to carry. Right? What is the answer you are getting? It is 10. 9 plus 1, 10. But while writing 10, 0 should be in thousands place and 1 should be in 10,000s place. Now insert the commas and read the answer. The answer after doing addition, the answer we are getting, it is called sum. Let me recap. See, while writing the numbers vertically, you have to observe the places. There should be one finger space between the digits. Then to add, you will not get confused. You will get the correct answer. Now we have to add 3 numbers here. We will read the number first. It is, how many digits are here? 7-digit number. Right? We will insert the commas first. Always you have to insert the commas first to know the places. Now the places are clear, right? See, 43 lakhs 56,345, this number. It is 4 lakhs 24,567. Now 63,456, this number. We will write according to the places now. First number is 43. 43 lakhs means it comes, leave little bit gap here. 43 lakhs. See, 3 comes under lakhs place. It is 10,000 place, 5. Now thousands place, 6. 345. Right? 5 is in ones place. It should come under ones place. First, these two sums, you have to write the place values. Then you have to write under the places. After that, you need not write this row. For each sum, you need not write the places. First, through 2-3 sums, you have to write the places. Next number is 4 lakh. It is 4 lakh. Comes under lakhs place, you have to write. 24,567. Next, 6 is in 10,000s place. 63,456. Write add sign. Otherwise, we will not be knowing which operation we are doing, right? So now you have to add up. 5 plus 7, 12. 12 plus 6, it is 18. 1 carry. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. 1 carry. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 4, it is 13. 1 carry. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. 1 carry. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. 1 carry. 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. Next, no carry, write 4. Insert the commas. Insert the commas. It is 48 lakhs 44,368. 3 numbers we have added. They are known as addends. The answer we are getting, it is known as sum. I think now you are clear to add the numbers. There are more than 25 sums in your exercise. Don't wait for the teacher to give the sums. You have to do it in your rough note or homework book. Your calculation skills will improve. You will be more confident in your addition. All these questions are from your first exercise. This question is, add the largest number 7-digit number to the smallest 6-digit number. Largest 7-digit number we have to write first, right? How to write the largest 7-digit number? Which is the largest single-digit number? It is 9, right? So write 9 7 times, you will get the largest 7-digit number. 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then insert the commas. We will read the number. Largest 7-digit number is 99,99,999. How we will get the smallest 6-digit number? What is the smallest 2-digit number? It is 10, right? How do you get 1? 10. Now, we want smallest 6-digit number. Still, 2 digits are over. Now, add 4 zeros. It is the smallest 6-digit number. Insert the commas. It is 1 lakh. Smallest 6 digits already you know while learning lakh. You know it is 1 lakh. What we have to do? We have to add now. Write the sum. While writing the statement sums, all the equal signs should be aligned in one line. So whatever calculations you need, you have to do it in the rough area. Now write 99 lakhs 99,999. Now 1 lakh. Right? 1 lakh. Add up. Add you have to do. 9 plus 0, 9. 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 Here 9 plus 1, 10. 1 carry. Now insert the commas. What is it? 1 crore 99 1 crore 99,999. This is your answer. Children, we will solve one word problem from your exercise. Let us read the question together. A farmer had 4 pieces of land. How many pieces of land farmer was having? 4 pieces of land. Now, he got 4,356 kg, 16,436 kg, 23,586 kg and 389 kg respectively of wheat from them. So find the total quantity of wheat produced. They have asked to find the total quantity. When we have to find the total quantity, we have to add up all the numbers. Here it's in quantity, so there is unit kg. You have to be careful. Now we have whatever they have in a word problem. First, whatever they have given, we have to write in terms of statements. We have to write the data given. Whatever they have given, we have to write first. Then at the end, after writing whatever they have given, we have to find the answer for the question they have asked. Here in your horizontal book, there is one red line. You have to calculations. You have to, in a word problem, you have to do the calculation in this rough area. Then you have to write the answer, the data they have given, you have to write here. The answer also you have to write. Usually, I advise children to draw this line because I prefer all the equal lines should be on this line only, along this line. All the equal lines, equal marks should be aligned. So, it is better initially if you cannot align the equal signs along one line, it is better to draw one more line. Now, wheat produced at first piece of land they have given. Right, we will write first. It is 4,356 kg. Now, and you cannot write only the number. It is quantity. So, you have to write the unit. Kg it is. Wheat produced at the second piece. Here I have not written land once again and again because there is short of space here. Wheat produced at second piece. How much it is? 16,000. While writing here also, it's better to be careful to write. See, for hundreds place we should come under hundreds place while writing the numbers in the middle column also. Now wheat produced at the third piece. Third piece, how much it is? 23,586 kg it is. And now the fourth piece, wheat produced at the fourth piece as 5,389 kg. Since they are vertical, here only you can add, but you should not add. You have to write only the answer here. So write all the numbers. It is, be careful, there is 10,000 place. Don't start writing from here only. Here leave the space this much and leave 4 finger space. Then start writing. It is 4,356. It is 16,436 for the second quantity. It is 23,586 for the third quantity. It is, we can see it is 4-digit number. 5,389. All the places should be aligned perfectly. Now we will add up. 6, 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 9, how much? It is 27, right? 2 is the carry. 2 plus 5, 7 plus 3, 10, 18. 18 plus 8, it is 26. Once again 2 carry. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 3, 2 plus 3, 5. 5, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 3, 17. 1. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. 14 plus 5, 19. 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, it is 4. What is the answer now? 49,767 kg is your answer. Understood clearly, children? Write neatly all the sums, all these 4 sums write neatly in your classwork, and all the remaining sums you have to do on your own. Some sums I have given as a homework. Remaining sums you have to do to improve your skill. Now you understood clearly how to add the numbers. Children, today itself you have to do the sums, and there are around 30 sums in your exercise. You need not do 30 sums in one day. Do 5 sums per day, and it will take 6 days to complete, and you will be thorough in your addition also. Thank you, children.